Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to pull lists on Propwire. So this is going to become particularly useful for individuals who want to start using their lists and turning it to like a CSV file format so that they could actually start working with these leads. But how do you actually pull lists on Propwire? Either way, guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but let's first apply some search filters up here. So I've just applied Las Vegas. For the lead type, I selected cash buyers. For the property type, single family homes. For the price, we'll just put this to 600,000. For the bed and baths, we'll put 4 and 2. So now that I have some filters applied, you can see that I've narrowed down my search results to around 15,000 search results. Now to actually download this list, you click on this toggle button here, and then you could only select a max of 10,000 leads. So with this 10,000 lead, click on this button here, which is this green icon, and then you're only allowed to download 10,000 leads, so I do need to delete one. But then afterwards, you would save to a list. So you can save this to a list, and you can name this My Favorite Properties, and then click on Save. So there you have it. You've now created your first property list. To actually go ahead and view your lists, you would click on this icon here, and then you would click on Property Lists. And then from here, you can actually go ahead and click on My Favorite Properties. Now from this, you could actually import properties and you could also download the list. And that is how you would actually go ahead and pull a list from Propwire. So if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually go ahead and pull lists from Propwire, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys on the next video.